I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi, this is Z here. A whole bunch of our posters got lost over COVID. We made these wonderful posters for a client of ours and they've simply gone missing. But behind every cloud is a silver lining. So today we get a chance to recreate those posters and I'm going to show you how we do it. These are markers from Neuland. I really like these because they're water-based, they're non-toxic, they don't smell, and they're refillable, so good for the environment. We will be using large sheets of A1 paper. Notice that these are loose. They're a lot cheaper than the 3M ones with adhesives. And they're a lot easier to work with. You have the versatility of putting them in a landscape direction or portrait. Now over here we've got chalk pastels to give the background of the posters some nice color. We've also got alternative markers here that are not Neuland. These are about $3 each from Warehouse Stationery. You're going to need some paper just to test your markers to make sure that they're not over inked or under inked. Tissue, spare ink, and here's my secret. Painter's tape. A lot better for the environment than blue tack. And when you're done with it, crumple them up with your paper and recycle them. Some drop sheets for the floor. Just taping between the drop sheets and the wall, just to make sure that any chalk doesn't get onto the skirtings. These are a pain to clean. Now to mount the flip chart paper, simply place it on the wall. Put your body weight into it. Grab a piece of painter's tape. Go across the corner. Reach for the next corner. Tape it down. Making sure the paper is nice and smooth so you've got a good surface to work off. Tape. The first poster we're creating is about the Scrum Master accountability in Scrum. Scrum is a framework for managing complex knowledge work. Now, when I create a poster, I always think about the metaphor behind the poster. What is the easiest visual that I can use to convey the meaning of the concept? Now, we know that the Scrum Master accountability is the person within the Scrum framework that supports the team. So I'm going to be drawing a little icon of someone holding up a set of people. The Scrum Master is also the person who looks after the performance of the team. So there's going to be some notion of improvement or moving in the right direction. So let's give that a crack. once that's already looking really nice, I'm going to blend the chalk, simply using a piece of tissue, rubbing it really gently, very smooth, continuous strokes with equal pressure. Just giving it that slight pop of colour. And that is our first poster done.